Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn to knit this easy beautiful pattern. You can use this pattern in your gent sweater, lady sweater, baby's blanket. You can knit this in your any project. See, this is the way it looks like. Wrong side looks like this. So, this is only 12 rows repeat pattern, and you need to cast 10 multiples of 10 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 10 plus 2 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So, let us begin. So, for the demonstration I have 24 stitches on my needle, which is 10 plus 10 20 plus 2 extra stitch 22 and 2 edge stitch 24. So, row 1 right side your edge stitch knit, and before you start the repeat, first slip 3 1 2 3, slip 3 your edge stitch and slip 3, and now start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and then slip 4, 1 2 3 4. That is the repeat from here to here. For repeat pattern we have done knit 6 2 4 6 and then slip 4 2 4. This is the repeat pattern, and you are going to repeat this repeat pattern for however many repeat stitches you have, and after you finish all repeats, we don't have enough stitches for another repeat here. So, after you finish all repeats, for a last 2 4 6 8 10 stitch, for a last 10 stitch knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and then slip 3, 1 2 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 2 wrong side, your edge stitch slip on the wrong side, and before you start the repeat, first slip 3 1 2 3, slip 3 and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and then yarn in front, slip 4, 1 2 3 4. That is the repeat from here to here. Knit 6 2 4 6 and then slip 4, and your last 2 4 6 8 10 stitch, yarn in back, knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and then yarn in front, slip 3 1 2 3, edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Now row 3 and row 4 we are going to knit edge row 1 and row 2. So, row 3 knit edge row 1, your edge stitch slip and then slip 3 1 2 3, slip 3 and knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and slip 4, 1 2 3 4. That is the repeat from here to here. Knit 6 2 4 6, slip 4, and your last 10 stitch 2 4 6 8 10 stitch, knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6 and then slip 3, and your edge stitch knit on the right side. Row 4 wrong side, knit edge row 2, your edge stitch slip and then slip 3 1 2 3. Start the repeat from here, knit 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, knit 6, yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 sorry slip 4, 3 4. That's the repeat. Knit 6 2 4 6, slip 4. Again sorry, your last, this is the repeat pattern. In your last 10 stitch, knit 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yarn in front, slip 3, 1 2 3, and your edge stitch purl on the wrong side. Row 5. For row 5, your edge stitch slip on the right side and then knit 1 and start the repeat from here for repeat pattern. Sorry, yes, start the repeat pattern. For repeat pattern, we are going to twist this 2 stitch and this 1 stitch, this 2 stitch, this 2 slip stitch and this 1 stitch. We are going to twist this 2 to the left way. So bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side, and knit 1, knit this 2, 1 2, and knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4 and twist 3 to the right way. You are going to twist this 2 to the right way. So bring this 2 here from the front side and knit 2, knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Twist 3 to the left way, from the twist 3, knit 1, knit 2, and then knit 4 here, 2 4, twist 3 to the right way, from the twist 3, knit 2, knit 1. And we have one more repeat that again. Twist 3 to the left way. You're going to twist this 2 to the left way. So bring this 1 stitch here from the back side, and from this 2, knit 1, knit 2, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, twist 3 to the right way, and knit 3, so knit 2, knit 1. We have 2 repeats from here to here, and the last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, knit. Row 6, purl all stitches. Row 7. Now we're going to alternate these stitches. We're going to knit this stitch here, this stitch here, and this stitch here. So row 7, your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here. So for repeat pattern, knit 4, 1 2 3 4, knit 4, and then slip 4, 1 2 3 4. This time you're going to slip this 4, slip 4 and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, slip 4, 1 2 3 4, and knit 2. This is the repeat pattern, and we have enough stitches for another repeat. So repeat that again. Knit 4, 1 2 3 4, slip 4, 1 2 3 4 and knit 2, 1, 2, and the last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 8, for row 8 wrong side, your edge stitch, slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 4, knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4, yarn in front, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 4, knit 2. Again knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2. We have done 2 repeats. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. Row 9, for row 9 and row 10, knit edge row 7 and 8. So your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, knit 4 and then slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the and then knit 2, 1, 2. That's the repeat. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 4, knit 2. Again knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 10, knit edge row 8, your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then knit 2. That's the repeat. Knit 4, slip 4, knit 2. Again knit 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn in front, slip 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and knit 2. Last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, yarn in front, purl on the wrong side. Row 11, for row 11 your edge stitch, slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3, 1, 2, 3, knit 3 and twist 3 to the right way, twist this 2 knit stitch to the right way, and from these 3 knit 2, knit 1, here twist 3 to the left way, bring this 1 purl stitch here from the back side and twist this 2 to the left way, and from these 3 knit 1, knit 2, and here knit 1. That's the repeat from here to here. Knit 3, twist 3 to the right way, twist 3 to the left way, and then knit 1. Again knit 3, 1, 2, 3, twist 3 to the right way, from these 3 knit 2, knit 1, twist 3 to the left way, from these 3 knit 1, knit 2, and knit 1, and a last 3 stitch, knit 2, edge stitch, knit on the right side. Row 12, last row, purl all stitches. So that's the repeat. We have done one repeat here. See, this is one repeat. Now repeat these 12 rows, row 1 to row 12 over and over again until you reach your desired length. After your few repeats, your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.